Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be unboxing the iKlear Complete Cleaning Kit. I ordered it from apple.ca and it shipped to me in about 3 days, even faster than they said it was going to ship. So that was good. I'm going to open it up and see what we got inside. Just paper. And here it is, the iKlear Complete Cleaning Kit. So it looks like we got a 6-ounce bottle and 2-ounce bottle. It says, use iKlear with these products for perfect results. MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, the iMac, iPhone, iPod Touch, iPods, all the iPods. This kit contains the 2-ounce bottle, the 6-ounce bottle, one large micro polishing cloth, travel size cloth, travel size microfiber terry cloth, keyboard cover and antibacterial microfiber cloth, and 12 iKlear travel singles. That is a lot of stuff. I think I paid $30 or $35 for this, plus a little shipping. But not bad for how much stuff you're getting in this here. Let's take a look. I've seen some other unboxing and reviews on this. Looks really good. This is the big cloth here that I see a lot of people using as their background for other unboxing and reviews. Here we got the keyboard cover. It says iKlear on it. I guess this one says iKlear.com as well. 6-ounce bottle, big one. 2-ounce bottle, little one. This would be the antibacterial microfiber cloth. Let's see how we get this open. That's how it looks. iKlear. Nice texture. Alright. Oh, here we got another one. Looks like the same. Same thing. Here's the small cloth, travel size, iKlear. And here we got the travel singles. They're like wet naps, but they clean your gear. Here we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And that is all. Let's see them all put together here. Boom, right there. That is everything you get for about $35. And I heard this stuff is really good. That this is just an unboxing, and maybe I'll do a review a little later. Okay, so thanks YouTube. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check out my later videos. Thanks.